Here we are at the lavender field. These flowers are coming into bloom looking really good. I want to get a close-up of those. Well, here's, before we do that, let's look at the arborvitae and the roses here. Miniature roses, plantings all along the entry driveway. We're looking towards the farm store down there. Get a close-up of these beautiful flowers here. There's the mowing man out there. One of two. I'm the other one. Got 15,000 lavender plants roughly. And 12 varieties of sunflowers way out there. This is just the wildflower field, but geez, this is 3 acres almost here. Wildflowers. It's about a 20-acre field. We've got sweet corn over in the far opposite corner over there. We have about 5 or 6 varieties of lavender, from white, red, purples, lavender, pink, and yellow. 12 varieties of sunflowers are right now between 3 and 6 feet tall. We're approaching mid-August here. And it's a beautiful summer evening. 80 degrees out. August 12th, 2022. First 2 weeks of the farm being open to the public. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and follow me on my wide variety of videos from the farm in Western Washington, Seattle area, San Juan Islands, and whatnot. Thank you.